Hi my friends, today I have an Armoire unboxing, so stick around and see what I got. Okay, I just played back my intro and I sounded really tired. Do I sound tired? It's probably because I am. I've been working extra shifts and it's taken its toll. So anyway, with working extra shifts, I've been ordering some work clothes from Armoire, the rental service. I think y'all know that Armoire is a rental service, and I have the unlimited plan. So I get 6 items at a time, and I actually swapped out my 6 items this time. So there should be 6 in here. And with that, what happens is, say I open this up, what I love about renting and the unlimited one is if there's something I'm not crazy about or it doesn't fit, I can swap it out and I don't have to send it back until they send the replacement item, and then I have 24 hours to send it back. That is unique to Armoire. And anyway, Armoire has shown above for my favorite rental service. Let's see what we have inside. And like I said, I've been getting things more related to work. We wear dress clothes, like kind of business casual, and then usually wear my lab coat out over it when I go out into the hospital. So anyway, I have a label to send everything back, and again, I get 24 hours from the time I receive the replacement to send them back. Oh, some pretty summer things. Got a nice dress. The thing about Armoire, the clothes are so quality. I mean, you could just feel the difference in the quality. And I'll read to you the details about them as I try them on. A nice A-frame, which fit me well with my hourglass figure. A-frame summer dress. And it's sleeveless, but I wear my lab coat over it. Very cute. I love the colors. Another dress. And I love the pleated skirt on this dress, because we know that pleats are in this season. Isn't that a pretty color? Can't wait to try this on. I like how it comes up around the neck too. The only problem with me is I end up getting makeup on them. But with the rental service, they do the cleaning. So it's dry cleaning. The shipping is free both ways, and they do the cleaning for us. Oh, speaking of pleated skirts, this color is gorgeous. It's like a turquoise. So pretty. A nice midi pleated skirt. Beautiful. Can't wait to try that on. And I got this white top to go with it, but as I look at this, that mirror is nice. It's kind of like a jersey material. Very wrinkled. It does have the ruching here. So it'll be, figure flattering, but I just wasn't picturing it like a jersey kind of material, and so wrinkled. I'll have to steam it. And then this, that was kind of heavy. This is heavier than I thought. Animal print to go with the plaid pants, and these are I might get too hot in these. It's pretty though, isn't it? Sweater. And then these feel like kind of heavy wool. They are Paige. I love how Paige fits me. So we've got plaid pants with cuffs at the bottom. Okay. And like I said, they're Paige. Got both my cats here, but they won't come on camera. Anyway, let's try these on and see how everything works. I'll be right back. This dress fits as I expected. It's a pretty tropical kind of color, nice for summer. Pretty A-frame. Like I said, with my lab coat over it, it'll be just fine for work. And then I may wear it on a day where we go out to dinner afterward, and then this will be nice to go out to dinner in. So let me tell you about it. So this is the cap sleeve scuba fit and flare midi dress. I call it a midi dress. Wow. I think it's a little bit shorter than midi. But anyway, midi dress. It is size 8. and it's from London Times. It would normally be it's $102 with the discount. So it normally be $120, and then I could get it for $102, which is 15% off. And I think it fits great. I wanted to see what the material is. Let me get down to the details. 95% polyester, 5% spandex. So yeah, it's definitely a nice rental item. Okay, let's see what else we got. This is one of those dresses that you put on and immediately feel pretty. I love this dress. It is very fun, very flowy, so feminine and pretty. I like the neck detail. The top is pleated as well. And we have this little ribbing at the waist. Very nice. You know, I love a dress I can twirl in. So pretty. Let me tell you about it. So, and the buttons in the back are really cute too, although I'm getting my nails done tomorrow, so it was too tough to get all the buttons buttoned, but there's 3 buttons in the back, and when I get my nails done tomorrow, I'll be able to button them much more easily. So let's read about this beautiful dress. So pretty. This is one of those you put it on and you think, need to see what the price would be to buy it. This is the high neck pleated sleeveless dress. The designer is Nanette Lepore, and it's a size 8. I could get it for $126. Let's see what it normally would be. $148 normally. So not a huge discount, 15% off, but still, it's a very nice dress. It comes in other colors too. There's a blue, a light blue, and then like kind of an orange. So there are other colors in it too. And on the site, which I love about Armoire, is other renters will put their images up, and there's a ton of images on this one, so it's been highly rented and gets really good reviews. I can see why. Pretty dress. Okay, let's keep moving on. Okay, really like the skirt. It is beautiful. It's a nice pleated midi skirt. The color is gorgeous. The top I'm not so crazy about. It's pretty meh, really. And now that I see the color of this skirt in person, I think it would look good with black. It's so hard to tell when you're looking at you're looking online and trying to figure out which colors match. But I do think the contrast with black would be nice with this. So let me go try that, and I'll come back and read to you about these. Okay. Way better. I love this. I love the contrast between the turquoise and the black, and then I've got my black shoes on, so that gives that sandwich effect. You know, we've got the top and the bottom the same, then color pop in the middle. Now we have a nice outfit. Love. So this is my black top, but it definitely works much better. So you never know until you get the items home, and then hopefully you have something in your closet that will work too. So let's go ahead and read about the skirt and the top, which I'm going to be sending back, which is the beauty of it. I'm not even going to worry about pressing that white top. It's going back, and I'll get something to replace it. So this skirt it's a Reis, R-E-I-S-S. Isadora pleated midi skirt, size 8. I could get it for $127, regularly $295. So there's a good deal, 57% off for this one. And it's 100% polyester. I meant to tell you, the dress, the yellow dress that I just had on, it's 100% polyester. So, okay, nice skirt. For $127, I'm tempted, so we'll see. And all we have left are the pants and the top. I'm going to put them on together. Be right back. Okay, so I really like this outfit better than I anticipated. When I first unboxed it, I didn't think I was going to like it. The material is heavy, but I don't think it's going to be too hot for work. So, love the top. I'm a big animal print fan, and I love the fit of it. However, I did have to wear a bandeau top underneath so that my bra didn't show, but it still works. Or I could wear my black bra, actually. And I like the fit. Like the pants, so they have front pockets, which is always useful at work. The back pockets are false pockets or faux pockets, but I like the plaid. Now, on some people, they show this coming up to their ankles, but for me, they're pretty long. They go below my ankle. And I think I'm average. I mean, I'm about 5'5" 3/4 height. So anyway, I do like this outfit. Let me read to you about this. So far, the only one I really think I'm going to send back is that white top. And I didn't tell you about that, did I? Let me get back into here. Okay, I skipped right over that white top, and it surprises me. It's a Michael Stars. Let me show you what it looks like in the picture, why I was so excited about it. See how cute that looks? So I was like, oh, that'll be nice. Maybe I will keep it and steam it out since it's a Michael Stars. I feel bad. But it's the Anita sleeveless cowl neck top, size small. And it would be $83. I'm definitely not buying it. We don't have to worry about that. And the discount, I don't see where the full price is. It comes in black, but then again, you'd still have to steam it or iron it. I don't see where the regular price is. It just says buy it now for $83. Okay. It's 92% rayon and spandex. Oh, it's normally $98. Okay, let's read about what I have on. So, the pants are Paige. As I mentioned when I unboxed them, love Paige. They fit me great. These are size 10. They're maybe like slightly loose, but I think you want it that way. $194 regularly. I could get them for $149. They retail for $259. So it's the Gia wide leg trouser. Like I said, size 10, and they're 64% polyester, 37% rayon, and 2% spandex. I do like the fit and the feel of them. And then the top is T. Tahari mock neck sleeveless sweater, and it's size small. It would normally be $68. I could get it for $46. I do like this top. $46, this might be worth it because it feels like really quality. Let's see. It's 49% rayon, 30% polyester, and 20% nylon. So I do like this. I feel like this was a really good rental this time. What do you think? Thanks for watching.